In order to transfer data from your old phone to Nothing Phone 3, you will have to use a third-party app that allows you to transfer files between devices. Unfortunately, there seems to be no built-in option that allows you to easily transfer data other than the one that we have during the initial configuration. But if you already have set up your phone, then in this case you most likely have to get an app. So we're gonna go to the Play Store. So let's skip that. And an example of an app that we can use is the Send Anywhere app. There are multiple different apps that you can download for free and use them for free as well in order to transfer data. In this case, however, we're gonna use this one over here. However, feel free to try any other app. And of course, we need to have this app installed on both devices. I have this app already opened on my old device, so I'm just gonna open on this one now, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up, and it is really easy. So once you see this welcome message, then you should see this menu where we need to agree to terms and service and privacy policy, and then press confirm. We need to grant access, of course, so we're gonna grant all these accesses to the app. We can also agree to notifications. If you see this updates info, then we can just check this box, not now, and then press OK. And we can close this information about Wi-Fi Direct, although you may want to know that it is possible to use Wi-Fi Direct. Now, on our old phone, what we need to do is simply select whatever we want to transfer. You can go to photos, videos, audio, contacts, and so on and so forth. And if you transfer from Android to Nothing Phone 3, then you can also transfer apps. If your old phone is an iOS, such as iPhone, then unfortunately apps won't be transferable. You will have to install them from the Play Store because they are simply not compatible. So in this case, what we need to do is select. We can tap on the circles that we have in the top left side of the item, at least in the case of photos. And once you select everything that you want to transfer, what you need to do is simply press send on your phone. You will generate a 6-digit code and a QR code. So now on our Nothing Phone 3, we're gonna go to receive. Over here we have input key field, and we can enter this 6-digit code. If you want to, you can also use this QR code icon in order to open the QR code scanner, so you can scan this QR code instead of entering the code. In my case, however, I'm gonna use the code. So let's enter it, press receive, and soon after that you should have a connection between both devices, and you should start transferring files between these two devices. So there we go. As you can see, we are transferring. Once we are done, you might see an ad, so of course we can just close it. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, and subscribe.